Hello and welcome to another one of Arthur's videos. This one, as is instantly obvious, is about drones and video of trains. Now, of course, drones are in use by the military, the services. Criminals were quick on the uptake with them, I believe, and some people actually use them for racing. They also appear, if you look at YouTube videos, to be the source of lots and lots and lots of selfies. Anyway, here we are on the East Coast Main Line at Frinkley Lane, which is situated between Grantham and Newark. We have a drone. It's a Hubsan X4 H501S. It obviously has video and still capabilities. Oh, there's a picture of what it actually looks like. But it doesn't have any gyro stabilization on the camera. It's a fixed look down camera, so as the drone moves, so does the image we're taking. So if we try to zoom and pan on this train as it passes, we can only pan. We can't zoom, and when we do pan, of course, the drone will fluctuate in height. Cost, by the way, April 2018 of this drone was £175. With a few spares, the investment comes up to about £200. What is immediately apparent once I stop talking, of course, is there's no noise. Now we're fairly near the overhead wires here. How near are we? How near can we be? We should be 50 metres from any structure, persons, etc. And what I've actually done here is I've measured out 50 metres from a power cable that's between me and the East Coast Main Line. I then added another 25 metres just for good measure, which is probably putting me somewhere around about, or me and the drone's the important bit, of course, putting us about 80 metres from the East Coast Main Line. So make up your own mind about how good or indifferent the particular videos is. We also found a farmer when we were messing around with trains. So here we've flown over his property with his permission, I should add, which was given by a very friendly smile and a thumbs up, and he's playing with his sprayer. Now whether he's finishing for the day or just set up, I don't know, but anyway, I would call this a film of opportunity, and this is obviously a good test of the drone. Should we add music at this point in time, or is a voice over the best thing to do with this sort of media, or just shut up? I don't know. Will drones replace ordinary video cameras? Well, from what I've seen so far, the answer to that is no. So don't forget to take your ordinary camera with you when you go. Now this second takeoff was because my drone was running out of Wrigley amps, so I'd put another battery in. to finish off filming our friendly farmer. This is where this medium price drones come into their own, because as you can see, there's my car getting in the way of the farmer. So we rush back to the car, get out of the busy man's way, leaving our drone geostationary above us, watching all the action. And that's the sort of sophistication in flying skills that you're getting with a £200 drone in 2018. What will be the capabilities of these machines in 5 years' time? I really don't know. And what will be the price of a machine with this capability in 5 years' time? There again, who knows? But certainly the camera seems to be quite good quality, and if it was gyro stabilized and could zoom as well, then we would really be in business. Now currently, if you want that sort of capability, it's going to cost you £1,000 or more. Quite a lot. Oh, there goes a Class 90 with a VTEC Triumph behind it. If only we could zoom, wouldn't that be good? Anyway, I hope you've found this video of interest. It's new ground for me, and I hope to find other things to video, particularly in the railway scene, and I hope it's maybe raise more questions than answers. Perhaps we ought to finish with a good landing. Bye for now. So, did I have my ordinary camera with me? Certainly did.